no sung tini hain hoite sa YTF ni bikhakte press conference ma khaiti tai no jotoni shiri thangnai 26 tarikh sung manigo kudo bahine sung press conference khameni amni henba 25 tarikh jesini Gomati DM te bubaga ni bisingte jengman nala bo joti so semen amte elaborate khene na so amar mai jesini kok 26 tarikh jesini kok samani je tumuno government of Tripura amnoti kuno serious action na ya kai sing Gomati district ni JOTO official tomani bebono shutdown khane ya Tala nai so bus kani 2 tarikh YTF di promote YTF TWF JOTONI thangai sing bus kani 2 tarikh aro Tala nan thangai thongi and almost just kaisa chengmung tai ekoi being haisi almost just cheng drop se tumuno government of Tripura sing bolno 4 din nama jago sapta kaisa ngai thangka almost ta hailang be kono saya and sini JOTO honorable CM sini honorable minister of state sini honorable MLS honorable MDC ro chief secretary jeka sinha ji bai bor thang malaka kintu bor just omna saw nai tong means koidin nai tong abas semen liya 4 दिन समय माने सप्ताह काचे kai tong ki domin bai ta so zaro kuno ya hoise amon banya sing tongi malia sing nasingka bo jarate nasingka 4 दिन jaga सप्ताह kaise nasingka amon bagai 2 tarikh JOTO Gomati ni je official samani singaro thangai Tala ni bagai ta prostuti rakhaise and age bo sing saja tomuno obonete Talar jagai tong hangka kai obone daikto amok YTF ti promoter TW ngla obone daikto government of Tripura na haise and sumia kana ka koidin se sikang just men se sikang honorable chief minister Dr. Manikshani sing au bin statement bukhana ka je bosabo hoite khoroni bisingo miscommunication green laikana but ang tabuk ke bu khoroksani manchon manno angkemno ni chekhanan baya but ang sumani muchu haisi o Gomati district ni DM ni ko sabotong borona sabo fundai tong borona bom hai of binite senior officer khoro busu bonote fundai tong abosum saimia into bor tak siditi khaitong haise amo sini sentiment sini boror one bagai sinsa hard is a amo serious issues sini bagai we baksa tin bor bo kaise koite comment lai tone khaise amo the no regret ti problem no dai tong haise ang bujna nai di situation na bujidi tarpore nang saiman de haise bobagra sudu ti promote ni face simia bobagra ka sini ti person ni face amon bai mostly sentiment hard ka ang bai simon ti belang serious tumuno government of Tripura mono serious na yakai bas kami 2 tarikh simia abo sipai jala pa nangai mano abo saud pa nangai mano abo khoya pa mano abo not pa nangai mano abo unokoti pa no entire district ko am effect ngai thana hese khoroksa DM ni te government of Tripura bo judina boro omno te serious ya khoroksa DM ni bor bo pressure tang tung hese and oboni dekto YTF ngala common dekto government of Tripura na hese because government of Tripura jotis to siwo tam khainai tam khaya om hai DM rono sung langya karon om hai BAP culture sung nuka mian ise sikang baino sung kaisa DM sini unokoti ni DM khorja tong bo daily no salgrung no bo public ne bagai bo ngotong tam sane bo daily din bai jora tong a DM ni bung kasini Dilip Kumar Chakma bawa ASDM ni bongka unokoti district ni 24/7 bo public representative bo public servant ni sabai bo public ne jorari tong haise Enggak bo khorja DM no Gomati dis ni bokatang mayang ba bui kabang ma aro tin news sungu boba grale tam ni bagai horni satau thangi malai nakhaba public servant no ni bagai DM and collector no bagai 24/7 bon bai jora ma tunai je representative song ni bagai hese and tumuno bo a jora malai maya kai bo kaisa bono kaisa tenure ri mana kaisa bono date ri mana je tin din malai maya ba khana soni ma malai ne hese am haini malai no problem kintu am kuno malai jagya direct na phone ti kok sabo na kok saja gya jab to sangnu ka social media bising ti ke mama text kamini abo viral man nu khanor to nu kana haise so abo clear haise Gomati DM knowingly or not totally boba grane avoid kemen sunu but bini kulo ka sabato kabama tongi manu maybe government officials no manu maybe jekun political party ni boro tomana amen tini bo action na jaya muno bo action na jaya hankan fe boron face kaiting aiti sing sini public sini lukurona sing samane talarnai means runai abosini guarantee karon sing bubagrani warriors ro sing agini buni youth wing haya haise sing sudu political party simia sing social libo sing lukurona seba khayana nu sumar bubagrani bisingtei jotis to sini boron zemang ne sumcha subana musung haise
जे आफोर जे ताला रिजांनाय कयतानि सिमे ताला रिजांनाय अफिसियेलि थांबाय दा अफिस स्टाफ थांबाय दा रिजांनाय अफिसनि आगे रिजां
11टानि सिमे ताला रिजांनाय
अता कायसा मियानि सिगां कायसा सीएम साका गोनिबो खागनो नासिगै रे बरम नासिगै बनिजों को ख्लायजांनाय बा सकस ख्लायजांनाय बा ख्लायजांनाय राज्यनि बिसिंते किन्तु सीएम अकगरि दंबानि बिसिंते बन्दर ताबु सीएम बाय कुनु सीएम थाने कायसा बनो कलिंग हायका बोबाग्रा थाने बा कल खाजे कोनो सीएम तो साका अबनि ककनन ताबो बबा हायनु वानसु
सी बतो सारा थोरनि बरम न केम नष्ट खायदा मुसी आपको सम केम बरम नष्ट खायदा मुसी सम डीएम नष्ट खायदा मुसी but the thing is that DM is a behavior abo sudu bubagra by simia even public by even on your representatives by bo abo himan by bo am hai DM sum all district nangya bono no hodi hasi transfer khaira hodi on jaga bo plus bo DM post ni by bo suitably hasi bo tabu Gomati ni west open phane west of the same behavior mai hasi and kaisa DM ni kaisa rules and regulation norms to hasi ISO ni IS mani pore nungtam khain sin thani a norms nor a norm nor plangai thangman nor photo tangai nor a non press meeting sin phone for sir DM and collector bo public servant basic 24 hour 24/7 bo public ronno bo seba makhani ase karon tangdi DM and collector bono sorbosis kaisa district ni ase and bo for sir DM ngai and bobagra hai bororno se bo sangnai hai nang ang hai public no tam sangnai bo and even singau khanau बस सेमिया बिन ऑफिशियल स्टाफ ओनी पेपर ऑफ हेंगे कागज किताब बरन खनाव व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रूड बिहेवियर एकदम रूड बिहेवियर रे चोरी तो माने अब चोरी या बीएपी कल्चर प्रॉब्लम संगासं नाय संका लोअर सोसाइटी नि गरो रखायसे आसबो गनां आसबो मिलियन रो करो जे दिनी आम हेरनो सुमाना बै वरते बो बस कागलो फाजिन जरा बिनि बीएपी कल्चर नमनि साम नु खायसे सामन आमे बो तिनांति खाय एंड अब सुमान सुबो आमने सुनसाव जे आम अब सीन देखतो या वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा ने देखते जे बरो माइक है बरोनी बोनो निये रूल्स हाजारनानि आबो बन देखतो आमै जों गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा जों चारदिन समायनानि बरो कोन छाया कक सालाय दङ जों साव किन्तु जों दङ नहानिया सप्ताह कायसा जों नासिका चारदिननि जागाव सप्ताह काय नासिका आम बै 2 तारिखो सोमबार दिन कलाय 11टा समय जों मोटिनि जत अफिसार्स माने सातदन के ताला
जों खोनाबा नोंका किजासो ककमा थुमरक माने आरनि नो स्टाफ माने नगजारा ग्यांगै दङता माने बोबाग्रा बाय जवाब संजांने बा
सिनायदि गताला इन द सेन्स आबो तो सं सेमिलिया सेरिया जेखोबा संगाबो संबाबो नखनाबो जे Gomati district chief minister ni kahe tam jane fan hni tongo a chief minister ni fan hoite joto bisibo rubber bangani abo dealing i tonga number 1 number 2 joto check dam je takto wati jo check dam samani regani hoite abo dealing i tonga ne gobang ma barbar even sini je udipuro sini Gomati district ni mass gathering improve afro bubagra kono barbar chaito bai kono call khai malai phane ne call khai ja अब खुद आदि बिस्कांगो से कॉल खाया है अफरो रिसीव किया तांगे हिंदी अफरो बोल कॉल रिसीव किया बुबाग्रा बोबाय बिनी कोनो पर्सनल साक बिनी पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट नि ती मालया थांमानिया बुबाग्रा एंटायर Gomati डिस्ट्रिक्ट जे सिनि बरग्रो नि जे डेवलपमेंट इन यांगनि दमानो डीएम माले जस्ट डिस्कशन खायना मुसुं जांमा सिनिसि आसु बायनो बुबाग्रा नि बोबासे कॉल रिसीव खाया अब कॉल ब्लॉक खाये ना WhatsApp कॉल रिसीव खाया ना WhatsApp रिप्लाई खाये अब तो सनुखा अब तो संसद ने पब्लिक को शिकाय से कारण नौ तो नुका वैसे 6 में वैसे 10 में वैसे इवन मास हसिनी परे आम तिके बन मिन बकुन रिप्लाई खाय सो आबनि बे रीजन ताम होने से बुबाग्रा एक्चुअली बिनि बेंगलुरु थांगै बबाय मालाय थांमने आफुरबो बिनि सेंट्री बाय मालाय रजाय जों बको कबम खनाका अब मीडिया साजन नि बगिया जे डीएम आजरबो बिनि क्वार्टर ताम खायतो हायतो हली जब ब जतने राइट सम एन्जॉय खायनानि न किन्तु आजराव बुबाग्रा बाय ब आफुरु मालाया बिनि सेंट्रीनो साबो आं मालायनिया नट इवन फोन रिसीव खाय आफुर तो हॉलिडे वी ऑल एग्री संडे आफुरु संडे बाय ब रेस्ट नाइट तमका बट एट लीस्ट बिनि क्वार्टर थांगै आं दिनि आं क्वार्टर माया कुंटिपन कक सागांकै खना सोमबार बा खना फाइदि ऑफिस फाइ कक सालायने नों आमति बसाय आइसे आबसे जत निसे हार्ड मने आइसे दिनि बुबाग्रा हाय जागाव दिनि जतने बयसिनि दिब्रासनि फेस नि तमा जागाव borok saya diri boran borom ya ke neng ang jeng saधारण boron bokter nagi है amai sengklau bini office staff bai bor ekdom rude behavior khai file log kagus patro kita mani ko bus semua na bai se so aman bai na amai VIP team no sen Gomati entire district sem game nagi sini Tripura ni entire district se bonus sem nagi है Mono hoite Salmario the AMC ni director post, mono Salmario AMC ni jekono official staff connect desi. Aun pare boss hai mana hai. But abo khaine heman government of Tripura khaya, hoite singwan so tabo, tumuno government of Tripura khaya hankai, government of Tripura or politics thuna nai. Joto jano politics thuma bengia, politics is just a branch, but people and society is forever hai. Abo kaise wan so gai, government of Tripura wan so nang. Good afternoon, and thank you to all the media friends here today with us. We, on behalf of YTF, Youth Tripura Federation, the youth wing of the Promoter Party, here once again would like to convey our message through a press conference. In the past, on 26th of May, we have done our press conference in the Manikirkut. As you all aware and know very well through medias, you all know that our Maharas were insulted by the district magistrate of Gomati. For that reasons, we have requested the government of Tripura to take an initiative actions against such DM. But so far, we have given them a time-bound manner. In a time-bound manner, they could not complete or they could not do anything to the DM. What we have done in our earlier press meet, we have said that the DM should be transferred from the Gomati district, and even not only in Gomati district, but in entire district, and his post should be not as an DM in earlier or as far. For that reason, we today again seated with all our warriors from various districts and blocks with the warriors of YTF, and would like to spread a message, would like to give you a message that on 2nd of June, which we have said in the earlier press conference that if the government of Tripura will not take any such initiative, that we are going to shut all the officers, all the official staffs of Gomati district. So we are going to do that on 2nd of June. YTF, the promoter, TWF is going to shut all the office of entire Gomati district officials on 2nd of June. That is our message through our medias we like to convey on behalf of our organizations. And also we know that many have said in this against of DM that DM ने अच्छा किया है, इसका विरोधी क्यों किया है, बहुत सारा लोग ने किया है. The main thing is that being an IS officer, there are some norms and regulations and rules which the IAS has to be maintained as a district magistrate, as a collector. We have that listed here. As in the Indian administrative system, the professional conduct of IAS officers and their relationship with public representatives of utmost importance. However, refusal to meet any public representatives such as MLS, Jila Parishad Chairman, CEM, or any other public representatives on a holiday or Sunday is subjected to disciplinary and administrative instruction. That is what the rules and norms of the DM and the collector should be happening in any district. So as far as what we have come to know, and we have said in our earlier press meet also, in our earlier press conference there, such kind of DM, such kind of attitude DM, such kind of VIP DM can't be tolerated in our state. If you want such kind of status, of VIP status, why don't you go to some other state? Like, if you can go to the Mumbai, you can go to Kolkata, you can go to Mizoram, because Tripura is not meant for the VIP status as of now, because we are all poor, the poorer section of the society. So in this region, we highly oppose and condemn such DM should be transferred from this district, and we have requested government of Tripura, and we have given a time-bound manner of 96 hours, which means for this, and now it has been only 1 week. But we don't know who is backing him from behind. We have our all the representatives, our MOS Minister of State, Sir Vishaketu, and our CM Purnachandra Jamatia sir, and all our representatives, MLS, have met the Chief Secretary of Tripura, Mr. J.K. Sinhaji, and still now they could not take any such statement. And the before yesterday we heard the statement of Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura that he said that what he means to say that we are not here to make any chance to any individual person. किसी का हम क्या 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 कहते हैं उसको हम लोग किसी का इज्जत को मिटाना नहीं देगा. What does it mean? He said it's because of lack of communications. Why? It is not because of lack of communications. Maharaj has been calling from 1 month onwards. Maharaj has texted him through WhatsApp, calling through WhatsApp, texting through WhatsApp, but he could not reply. And being a government servant, as a DM, it is clearly mentioned there. Even in holidays, he should meet the representatives. Either he should give some tenure or he should get some other date or day which he could meet on the daytime. And even he have not done all those things. For that reason, we could not digest ourselves. That is the reason we are going to oppose on 2nd of June, and we are going to shut and we are going to lock all the DM official staffs, all the SDM office, BDO office, as well as DM office in Gomati district. Thank you. Sung tini hain hoite sa YTF ni bikhakte press conference ma khai ta. Ai nor JOTONI shilo. Thangnai 26 tariko sung manigo kudo bahine sung press conference khameni. Amni henba 25 tariko jesini Gomati DM te bubaka ni bisingte jengman nala bo jotisa seman abte ile khene na. So aban mai jesini kok 26 tariko jesini kok thamani je tumuno government of Tripura obnoti kuno serious action naya kai sung Gomati district ni JOTO official thamani bekono shutdown khane ya Tala nai. So buskani 2 tariko YTF di promoter YTF TWF JOTONI thangai sung buskani 2 tariko ar Tala nan thangai khaisi. And almost just kaisa chengmung tai abai being hasi almost just cheng drop se tumuno government of Tripura sung bolno 4 din nama jago sapta kaisa ngai thangka ambo tangpa hailang be kono saya. And sung sini JOTO honorable CM, sini honorable Minister of State, sini honorable MLS, honorable MDC ro Chief Secretary JKC haji bai bortang malaka kintu baro just omna saw night means koidin night abas sung semen liya 4 din somer mane sapta kaisa kai thama kin dogon bai tawsa zaro kuno ya koise amon bai sung tongi malia sung nasingka बहुत जरूरत नहीं ऐसी का 4 दिन जगह सब तक ऐसे नहीं का अपन बगै 2 तारिख JOTO Gomati ni जे ऑफिशियल समनि सिंगारो थांगै तालाना नि बगै ताबो प्रस्तुत देखाइसे एन्ड आगे बो सिं साजा तमुनो अबने ते तालार जगै तंहां कांकाय अबने दायित्व अमक YTF ति प्रमोटर YTW मंगला अबने दायित्व गवर्नमेंट अफ त्रिपुरा में हैसे एन्ड सिंमिया खना का कोइ दिन से सिकां जस्ट मेन से सिकां ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर मानिकशा नि सिं आउ बिनि स्टेटमेंट मुखना का जे बसाबो होइते खरनि बिसिंगो मिसकम्युनिकेशन ग्रिं लायखना but ang tabuk kebu khoroksani manchal manno ang kemno ni chekhanan baya but ang sumani muchung haisi o Gomati district ni DM ni ngulko sabatong borona sabo phandai tong borona bomhai of binite senior officer khorok bus bonote phandai tong abosung saimia kintu bor tak siditi khai tong haisi amo sini sentiment sini boror one bagai hard in the